Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, let's bake this milk loaf. It's soft, tastes milky. It's a perfect bread for making sandwiches. Let's get started. You need some softened butter, some bread flour, some sea salt. Table salt is also okay. Some buttermilk. Milk is also okay. Some active dry yeast. Some sugar. We also need egg. Let's beat the egg. Add salt to the flour. Warm up the buttermilk. Make the temperature not higher than 40 Celsius or 104 Fahrenheit. Let's add the rest ingredients to the buttermilk. Sugar, yeast, the beaten egg, the softened butter. Then mix them well. Pour the mix of fluid to the flour little by little. Do not empty the mix to the flour at one go. Mix them well. Make sure in the end there is no more loose flour at the bottom of the bowl. After the mixing, let's get some cleared film. Cover the top and seal the bowl. The dough will need a warm place, and I usually keep it in my oven. Let's come back in 1 hour. Let's check the dough. It is quite soft. You need to lightly knead it, just enough to remove the air. This is all the kneading you will do for this recipe. Let's prepare a cleared film. Add a couple of drops of oil and spread it evenly. Place the dough in the center and then wrap it up. Keep the dough like this for 15 minutes. Let's grease the baking tin. I usually do 2 steps. After add a couple of drops of vegetable oil, I will also dust some flour. After 15 minutes, let's check the dough. It's soft and the surface is not sticky anymore. And let's transport it to the baking tin. Let's cover the dough and keep it in a warm place for an hour. So I put it back in the oven, keep it there for an hour, let it rise. You can make this bread in less than 3 hours, from start to finish, and most of that time the dough is rising or baking while you do something else. When 1 hour is up, let's check the dough. You can tell the size is doubled. At this point, you don't need to remove the air. Prepare the oven is ready to bake. I will bake it at 340 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. "40 minutes is up. Can you smell it? My whole house smells like a bakery." "It looks fantastic. You can make this milk loaf in your kitchen as well." "This is the bread I usually buy from my grocery. Price is not bad, but my homemade milk loaf double the quantity." Let's do the calculation. Without considering my labor and energy consumed by the oven, all the ingredients cost me $4.30 to make this 1.6 pounds milk loaf. Are you going to buy bread again? I may not, but it's your decision.